isolated in India, in Shimoga district of the Karnataka, where heavy mortality in 2 species of monkey occurs in 1995. And this mortality in monkey was followed by acute febrile prostration illness among the villagers, and few human deaths has occurred. So the Kasnu forest disease found in India and is limited to the Shimoga district, but new foci may also found, and Sero survey reveals the KFD is also found in Kutch and Saurashtra. KFD disease is a febrile disease, and it is associated with the hemorrhage, and it also caused by the arbovirus, flavivirus, and it belongs to the Russian spring summer encephalitis group of the virus. The host are the majority of the patients are 20 to 40 years, and mole are more prevalent because they are cultivators who visit the forest with cattle or cutting the wood. And epidemic correlates with peak human activity in forest, that is in between January and June. Natural host as reservoir are monkey, and the vector is the Haemophilus sphenthera. It is a hard tick. Outbreak of the KFD depends upon the some environmental factors, especially in tropical and evergreen decidual forest. When the clearing of the forest is done for the cultivation and other developmental activities, which leads to change in tick flora and fauna, which leads to outbreak of the KFD. And mode of transmission by the bite of the infected tick, that is the nymphal stage. Human is a dead end in the natural cycle. There is no evidence of man-to-man transmission, and the trans-stadial transmission is common in tick, but transovarial transmission is absent except in Exodus species. Clinical feature of the KFD: there is acute phase with sudden onset of the fever, headache, severe malaise with prostration which lasting for 2 weeks, GIT disturbance and hemorrhagic manifestation in severe cases. And second phase characterized by the mild meningoencephalitis after an febrile period of 7 to 21 days. And case fatality varies between 4 to 16%. Treatment again is conservative, antipyretic, analgesic, and supportive therapy. And diagnosis by a suspicion by the clinical sign and symptom, history of occupation or travel in the forest, and the detection, the presence of virus in the blood, and serological evidence, antigen and antibody by the detection of antibody by the hemagglutination and immunofluorescence technique. And the control of the tick by the aircraft mounted equipment to dispense the linden carborylin at 2 to 24 kg hectare at forest floor, spraying and carried out within 50 meters around the hot spots. And restriction of the cattle movement bring reduction in the vector population. Personal protection by adequate clothing and health education. So, the arbovirus disease, it is a self-limiting disease, and they are transmitted mainly by the mosquito arthropods. So, it is very important to avoid